you look at
your view of agriculture, it's loan waiver, it's Narega.
Rajdeep, have the patience, please, to listen.
Sure, go ahead.
In UPA government, last 10 years, before UPA, we saw an agriculture growth rate of 1%. It is a fact that agriculture between 2007 and 12 has grown up by 3.96%. Rural wages, rural consumption has gone up. The total storage capacity in this country is already up to 75 million ton from 40 million ton. And another 50 million ton is coming in public and private sector. While I say that I completely agree with you, it is not enough. Much more needs to be done. But we need to create that capacity both in public and private sector, by the states and center, by national PSUs and state PSUs. It has to be a cumulative effort. But why can't you say that agriculture has gone down? In fact, Government of India has invested close to 100,000 crore in agriculture. That is why we've seen for the first time in 2 decades a 3.96% growth in agriculture.
We've at the end of the day also seen in the last several months rotting food grain in the godowns of several states of this country. We are now seeing onion prices again going skyrocketing. Many of the problems remain recurring. I haven't heard of the central and state government saying we are going to have a complete crackdown on hoarding. APMC markets in Nashik, Navi Mumbai, Pune, all bastions of the NCP Congress. I haven't seen a massive drive there to curb hoarding. Let's be clear. The fact is, there have been people who have made windfall profits and your government has not cracked down on it. What is within your control also you've not done. What is outside your control, we can, is nature. What is within your control is man-made. This is partly a man-made crisis. This is not entirely a crisis of nature. You must concede that.
I completely agree, Rajdeep, that states need to do much more. But to blame Shri Sharad Pawar, the NCP chief, without any foundation or evidence in the manner that has been done by your panelists, is completely unfair to the minister as also to the NCP. I have already said, post the clip that you showed, Government of Maharashtra, Chief Minister of Maharashtra has come down on hoarders. Unfortunately, is only in Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh has been found sleeping over it. Mr. Mitra chooses to forget that. Yes, all the states, irrespective of whether BJP or Congress, need to come forward. Your states need to come in and they need to